Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to 1 Minute 1 Concept series. So today we'll be discussing about panel discussion. Panel discussion is a bit different from group discussion. In the last class we did what is group discussion. So group discussion is making group or you can say number of students participate in a particular debate or a topic, and they discuss that topic and put the viewpoints. The same is your panel discussion. The difference is here students are not there. The people who are there are experts in their field. So it becomes very interesting for the people to watch, and it gives very valid points. Whereas the problems could be, it is time consuming, there can conflicts be arise, and it could also lead to certain times fights and all these things. So you might have seen panel discussion on Aaj Tak or any kind of news channels where they bring a panel of people, experts from their group, and they discuss on a particular topic or put their views on that particular topic. So this was about panel discussion, everyone. Bye everyone, take care.